Dear friends, on behalf of Team Achievers and Team CA Juniors, I am here to give you an important message. ये लॉकडाउन में वी ऑल नो व्हाट्स हैपनिंग. हम घर से बाहर नहीं जा पा रहे, हम पढ़ नहीं पा रहे, हमको पढ़ने के लिए जगह नहीं मिल रही, हमको एक मोटिवेशन नहीं मिल रहा, हम थक चुके हैं, हम हार चुके हैं, हम गिव अप कर चुके हैं. Is this the thing with you? I promise you, listen this video for the next 2 minutes and I guarantee you, your way to see the situation would change. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, एग्ज़ाम्स हो रहे हैं, यही मानेंगे. एग्ज़ाम्स होंगे 24 से ही होंगे, फॉर श्योर होंगे. एंड मेक श्योर कि आप वो एग्ज़ाम दो. अगर किसी के दिमाग में ये चल रहा है कि मैं एग्ज़ाम नहीं दे के बाद में दूंगा, तो ये बहुत गलत डिसीजन है. द वर्स्ट डिसीजन एट दिस टाइम कैन बी to think about exam postponement or think that I would give exam in the next attempt if outward option is there also. You have to give exam in this attempt. Now sir, one majority questions. मेरी पढ़ाई पूरी नहीं है, my studies are not completed yet. Can I give the exam? Trust me friends, the answer is yes. Even if your studies are not completed, this exam is for you. How? First of all, you have nearly 20 to 24 days. Trust me, if you study 14 to 16 hours a day, this time is also enough to make you clear CA foundation exams. First of all, how to start, from where to start, how to do, what to do. The questions are piling up in your head. It's like you are getting confused, you are frustrated from life because of pandemics and all. We are not able to focus on anything. So study is the farthest thing we can focus on. But friends, I would give you a different perspective. Think about this. If the exams are postponed and they are in the next month, then for your intermediate exams you would get a month less. And trust me friends, intermediate is way more difficult than your foundation exams. And if you are planning to clear intermediate in one go, then you have to make sure that you have enough time for that. And hence it is very important for you all only that exam would be at the end of this month. Sir, I have not started studies. Sir, मेरी पढ़ाई नहीं हुई. Sir, what should I do? I'm completely out of the situation. I have not touched the books for the past 15 to 20 days. I have never touched the books. Anything. First thing, you have to make sure that you are giving the exams. You have to write this on paper, stick it, and remind yourself every day that I am going to do this exam whatsoever it may be. हम दिन भर पढ़ेंगे, हम दिन में 24 में से 25 घंटे पढ़ के निकालेंगे, बट वी वुड स्टडी एंड वी वुड गिव दिस एग्जाम. दिस शुड बी द फर्स्ट थिंग विच शुड बी क्लियर इन योर माइंड. इफ दिस इज ओनली नॉट क्लियर, ट्रस्ट मी, you won't be able to clear the exam even if your 90% studies are done. First you have to make this clear. Are there chances for exam postponement? There are 0% chances for exam postponement. Why I am saying 0% is because otherwise your mind can get distracted and all. Trust me, there are 0% chances your exam would get postponed unless and until there are some situations which are out of the hand. But don't think about that. You just think your exams are on time. And sir, how can we prepare them? Start with the subject which you feel is the most difficult subject. Just start preparing that. It would take you around 6 days at the max. You have to complete that subject anyhow in 6 days. Sit for 20 hours a day. Don't sleep. Don't eat. Don't do anything for the next 24 days. But you have to study hard and clear the exams. I'm telling you, it's very much possible. Various people have done that in the past. If one person can do it, then you can do it. This is the phenomena which should be used. And trust me guys, you can start with your difficult subject. For example, if you feel accounts is most difficult, give 6 days to accounts. Study day and night. Just even if you're sleeping, before sleeping revise 10 things, and after waking up revise 10 things, and sleep for maximum 5 hours. This should be your aim in this coming days. And yeah, you can do it. It's not very impossible. If you are like that, you have a habit of sleeping for 8 hours, then sleep for 6 hours at least. But then 1 hour you have to compensate somehow, like taking like if you are eating something, you have to eat fast or something, but you have to cover that 1 hour also. And time is more important. So if you complete accounts in 6 days, then law in 6 days, and you complete all the subjects in coming 20 days near about, then trust me guys, your papers would be very good. Sir, isn't it look impossible to study the whole syllabus in 24 days? Why people take 6 months for that? Trust me guys, to get pass in the exam, 24 days are enough. You have to just buck up. You have to just start studying. दिन रात एकदम से, मतलब उसके अलावा आपको कुछ दिखता नहीं चाहिए. लाइक उठे पढ़ाई, सोने से पहले पढ़ाई, नींद में आपको सपने भी पढ़ाई करनी चाहिए, इस हद तक जाना है. एंड या गाइज, यू कैन डू इट. इफ नॉट यू, देन हु? So I would just tell you one thing. If you are not able to clear this exam now, you would definitely regret, because your 6 months would get wasted. First thing. Second thing, the time was in your hand. I was here to guide you. I have said that if you study for 24 days, nearly 16 hours, 14 hours, then you would clear the exam. But you didn't did it, and it's possible. It's very much possible. But if you are like you don't want to do it, then I can't do anything. So trust me guys, you would really regret the results if you don't study hard now. And what Team Achievers and Team CA Juniors is doing for that, we are bringing various scheduled tests. The details would be in the description. We are giving various scheduled tests. We are doing everything. We are making schedules. We are motivating you day and night. We are doing everything. You just have to study, and that's the least we expect from you. Trust me guys, it's very much possible. It's very much possible to clear the exam. And if you feel any doubts, contact Team Achievers or Team CA Juniors. We are here to help you. But promise me one thing. Do write in the comment section that I am going to pass in this exam. And from tomorrow, whatsoever the thing is, you have to study minimum 14 hours, maximum 17 hours. Yeah guys, so promise me you would do that. My phone number is 820-822-1425. You can check out Achievers ID on Instagram, Achievers Commerce Classes. You can check our ID. You can check the Achievers Commerce Classes number in the description box. You can contact us. You can always contact us. But the thing is that please make sure you clear the exams. And please guys, please trust me, you can. So what are you waiting from? Please just rock it from tomorrow.